I'm going to go over just quickly. I mean, there's so many research articles. I mean, if you did on PubMed, search these three, photobiomodulation or low level light therapy, or even LLT, you're going to see thousands and thousands of clinical studies. They're literally studying light therapy for about every kind of condition you can imagine. This is a great article that just really talks about light therapy from an athlete point of view, whether it's helping heal an injury and or just preparing their muscles for the workout. Either way, whether it's before or after exercise, we have so many professional teams, baseball, football, hockey, that are using the Enlight system, and it's just really exciting. Then there's a lot of research on neuropathy. This is out of the University of Texas in the National Institute of Health, talking about light therapy, provided significant clinical improvement in foot sensation and simultaneously a reduction in neuropathic pain. Lots and lots of great results for neuropathy. Just some before and after pictures, different people, but you can see both people have really poor circulation where the blood is pooling. And this is just after one-time session with Enlight. On the bottom right, you'll see our boots. Our boots are very unique. They can be utilized like that, where you can put them up underneath the foot and up the back of the leg. I always say that's the highway to the feet. So that's a great way to treat your whole leg. But also you can fold them over into a shoe boot, which is really cool too. Here is just an article out of the National Institute of Health as well, just looking at over 40 years of data and 40 years of clinical studies, and just absolutely verifying that light therapy reduces inflammation and swelling and helps with pain relief and all kinds of good stuff. That was in 2015. Just a before and after picture of light therapy. In 20 minutes, this gentleman found his kneecaps. There's actually a lot of research going on with light therapy and the eyes and the health of the eyes. And it looked at a lot of people that have macular degeneration. Some of them had cataracts, some of them didn't. But light therapy significantly improved visual acuity in these. It was an overwhelming study. So very, very good. Oh, back up. I'm still talking on that one. I just wanted to point out that's the Enlight face mask. Yet another thing that makes Enlight unique. Our face mask is amazing. It's my favorite pad of the whole system, not only because of how it helps with the health of your eyes, but so many other things, like it helps get you into a really, really super deep meditative state really, really quickly, which is just quite wonderful. And there's a few other benefits as well, but that's our face mask. This study is out of Harvard. I think we've all heard of Harvard, and it just actually looked at light therapy and arthritis. There's a lot of arthritic conditions out there that cause pain, but it showed that light therapy absolutely relieved joint pain and rheumatoid arthritis by reducing the levels of pro-inflammatory cytokines and chemokines. So bottom line is it really helps with arthritis and joint pain. Another great study in 2014 on fibromyalgia showed that light therapy improved all fibromyalgia symptoms. They showed significant improvements, I should say. So fibromyalgia is pretty rough. And so if you can give your body light therapy and help assist the body to do what it's supposed to do, it can be quite significant in relief. Acne, we talked about the blue light pads. Blue light, particularly for acne, is terrific. And a great, the medications that they use for acne these days are scary. So that's a great way to treat acne. We talked about red light helping with hair growth. This is absolutely clinically proven. So that's great. This guy did it for 4 weeks. This client had severe eczema. I believe he was a painter and exposed to harmful chemicals all the time. And he was able to really get great relief with the blue pad. Surgery, light therapy can be very assistive before and after surgery. Doing it before to prepare the tissues, just get the environment just in really good shape, and then they cut into it, and then you start the lights afterwards. This is an incredible 4-week healing of a scar. And let's not forget about our furry friends. Many owners of Enlight systems have animals, and as you can see, they love light therapy. As I mentioned earlier, veterinarians are using light therapy. There's no reason in the world why you can't do light therapy on your animals.